And so that is in essence like a prerequisite even before you create your content. And what I mean by that is that today we are living in knowledge economy. Google, Apple, Amazon, they are already on verge of becoming $1 trillion companies, and the information that is getting produced is just astronomical, it's just humongous, and our brain simply cannot afford that. So if you are able to organize the information that is coming from all different angles and make something meaningful out of that, create what is called knowledge out of that, you can separate yourself from your peers. And I have actually used that strategy. I'm able to self-publish 2 books on Kindle using that strategy. I sincerely believe that that will definitely allow you to move the needle in the right direction, because if you just take a look at your own laptop, on your own desktop, there is folders, subfolders, subfolders where we are storing a lot of PDFs, presentation, PowerPoint presentations. We are learning a lot. We are acquiring a lot of education from all these different courses, classes, webinars. But unless and until you know how to utilize it, how to channelize that in the right manner, which is what is called be able to organize your knowledge,